Hello friends, this is my channel and welcome to my channel SSC Aspirants. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and I will proceed further. So I will teach you today the very important topic of any competitive examination like SSC, Railway and JEE Mains, various examination. If you are preparing for that, then you will got at least one question from this topic, that is maximum minimum value of trigonometric ratios. And this is very important topic for any examination point of view. If you are also preparing for railway, then I think one question is also from this topic, and in SSC I think 2 or 3 questions from this topic, because in SSC mains there are 8 to 10 questions from trigonometric ratios, so you will definitely get 1 or 2 questions from this topic. Then this is nothing. If you will go through the procedure, that is very much complicated. So first I will teach you the maximum minimum value. Or do you all know cos theta value 1 minus 1, sec theta infinity 0, tan theta infinity 0, cosec theta infinity 0, cot theta infinity 0, sin theta 1 minus 1. You all know these things. Basically what I have to study, that the maximum and minimum value of a sin theta plus b cos theta. Basically questions are in 4 formats of all topics. So first a sin theta plus b cos theta. Then simple, nothing you have to do. Maximum value is plus a square plus b square. If there is a value a 3 and b 4, then maximum value will be root under 9 plus 16, that is plus 5. If we have to find minimum value, then simply minus root under 9 plus 16, that is minus 5. So if you have to get question in this a sin theta plus b cos theta, then simple this formula and this formula. We are proceeding further. If question is format a cos square theta plus b sin square theta, we have to see that format must be in these forms. Then when a is greater than b, then minimum value will be b and maximum value will be a. If a is less than b, then minimum value will be a and maximum value will be b. If the questions are, that is 3 cos square plus 2 sin square theta, then minimum value will be 2 and maximum value will be 3. These are the basic format. If question that a is less than b, it means if question will be a cos square theta, if 2, then minimum value will be 2 and maximum value will be 3. Simply, but just we have to see that in which format the question is given. So friends, our next format is cosec square theta, sin square theta, tan square theta, cot square theta, sec square theta, cos square theta. So in this case, minimum value will be in all this format. Formula will be simple: 2 root ab, 2 root ab, 2 root ab for minimum value. For maximum value, infinity, infinity, infinity. Because if you see the maximum value of tan, cot, sec, cosec, it is infinity. That's why maximum value in all this format will be infinity. So let me explain with an example. If a is 4 and b is suppose 9, then what is the minimum value? Minimum value will be 2 root 4 into 9, that is 12. In this format, tan square plus cot square. If here is 4 and 9, simple 2 root 4 into 9, that is 2 into 6 equal to 12. Maximum value infinity. In the same case, if 4 and 9, whatever it is, formula is same, 2 root ab, maximum value infinity. Basically you have seen that there is 2 format, only 3 formulas in this whole topic. If cosec sin, tan cot, sec cos, then formula will be minimum value. In this case, I think in any examination maximum value will not be asked. And we have also seen in previous format that if sin cos and sin square cos square. So I think these are the only format, and question will not be asked from beyond these formats. So if you have any doubt, then please comment in comment box. I will let you solve, and I will try to solve your problem. Thank you.